So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can exit full screen on your MacBook. So guys, if you're new to the MacBook and you don't know how to exit a full screen, then this video is for you. So let's get into the video without any delays. So guys, once you're in the full screen of anything, it probably be this way, and right after you enter full screen, it says that to exit full screen, all you need to do is just go ahead and press escape. Or you could also just go ahead and find this option, this green option that says exit full screen. Just tap there and there you go, you have successfully exited the full screen. So guys, it's very simple and easy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.